Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So today's tutorial is clean girl makeup using about 98% drugstore makeup. This is just a look that I achieve. It's very clean, simple, on trend. I feel like the trend right now is just clean, natural makeup. Just, you know, embracing and enhancing your own natural features. The products that I used are ride or dies, and they are drugstore products that I highly recommend. Everything will be linked below. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial. So I already have SPF 30 by CeraVe on my face, and I'm gonna get on with the primer. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter 2.5. I'm just gonna blend that out with my fingers. So it's gonna give me a nice glowy base. So while that primer is setting in, I'm gonna go with the Milani Weekend Brow pen. So I'm just gonna brush my brows in place. I'm a little sunburnt on my nose. I'm just going to take the Milani brow pen and put in some light little strokes here. I already have bold eyebrows, so I just kind of do this to fill in some sparse areas. I'm just going to take the brush and kind of brush in, blend out a few of those strokes that may have been too intense. Go in with some Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Gel. The foundation I'm going to use is the Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Freshwear Foundation. This is in the shade Ivory. Don't like to use a sponge, but I'm going to use a sponge today because I can't find my foundation brush. And after that, I'm going to go in with some Wet n Wild PhotoFocus concealer. I really like this concealer. I really like this concealer. This was like an accidental find. I just feel like it's really thin, full coverage, has good wear. Have a little bit of acne down here that I want to cover up. I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the e.l.f. Halo Glow in the shade Light Pink. I go in pretty heavy-handed with this and just tap it right under my eye. And then I'm gonna set my eyelids with this as well. I'm gonna set my entire face with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Fair and Light. Then I'm going to take Milani bronzer. It's the Milani City Bronzer in the shade 100. I'm going to do a little contour and bronzing. Bronzer is super blendable. So pretty. Just gives you the perfect warm glow look. And I'm gonna go in with e.l.f. Always Cheeky. This is my favorite blush. It's perfect for spring. If you're gonna buy anything of all these products, buy this blush. Just gonna tap that on my cheeks, right underneath my eyes. It's an all matte blush. Just a little bit of shimmer left over on this brush from previous blushes. Love this blush. So perfect for spring. A little on my nose. For highlight, I'm going to use the Essence Nude Highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. So pretty. Highlight above my eyebrows. And on my chin. I'm just gonna brush with this brush here along my lower eyes to blend in the blush. Take some Milani Setting Spray before I go in and do my eyes. So for eyeshadow, I have the Going Coconuts palette by Colourpop. This palette is just amazing. Mine is Very Loved, and pretty much this eyeshadow is all broken up. This one already broke. They all fell out and I had to put them back in their own spot. So this is it. Oh God, it's falling out. I'm gonna go in with this cool tone called Cocoa Crush in my crease. I'm gonna use an L'Oreal A11. This is like a cool tone transition shade. I'm just gonna carve out my crease. I'm just gonna add a very small brown wing eyeliner with the Colourpop BFF in the shade Grande. It's gonna be a really thin wing liner. I'm gonna apply some Maybelline Define-Line black eyeliner. I'm gonna tight line and put on my bottom waterline. Apply a little bit of the Essence highlight to my inner corner. Or I'm gonna go in with some Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I'm gonna go in with Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner. And then I'm gonna go in with Flower Beauty Bare Honey Lipstick. Thanks so much for watching. This is my spring clean girl makeup look using a majority of drugstore products.